In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag users in Smartsheet. Tagging in Smartsheet is a quick way to loop teammates into the exact place where their attention is needed. It keeps conversations tied to your work, so nothing gets lost in email threads or meetings. Let's walk through how to do it from start to finish. First, open Smartsheet in your browser and sign in so you can access your workspace. Then open the specific sheet where you want to communicate. For the clearest view while you're collaborating, make sure you're in grid view. This layout makes it easier to see rows, cells, and the context of your comments as you work. Next, decide where your comment should live. Click directly on the cell that relates to your note, or click the row number on the left if your message applies to the entire row. Tagging at the row level is great for broader updates, while tagging a cell is useful for pinpointing details like a date, status, or owner. Now open the Comments panel. You can do this by clicking the Comments icon, the little speech bubble you'll see in the toolbar, or within the row menu. When you click it, a panel will slide out on the right side of your screen where you can read and write comments without leaving your sheet. By the way, if you need quick access to Smartsheet, there's a link at the top of the description so you can open it right away. In the comment box, type the @ symbol, followed by the person's name. As you type, Smartsheet will suggest matching users. Select the correct person from the list. Finish your message, add any helpful detail or context, and click Post. The tagged teammate will be notified, so they know exactly where to look and what to do. If more than one person needs to be in the loop, just repeat the @mention within the same comment. Each tagged user will receive a notification, which makes it easy to coordinate without sending separate messages. To keep the conversation going, open the Comments panel anytime to view tagged messages. Click Reply under a comment to respond in the same thread, and use @mention again if you need to direct your response to a specific teammate. For best results, pair tagging with helpful context. You can reference the row's details, mention timelines, or attach files right in the comment to make your request clear. Then, track the back and forth in the Comments panel so everything stays organized and easy to find later. That's it. Tagging users in Smartsheet helps your team stay informed and ensures clear communication. Thanks for watching.